Altium Designer is the standard for PCB design. This is because it's an all-in-one, feature-rich design environment with a modern, powerful, and unique approach to design. Whether you're designing small or large, simple or complex, Altium Designer has you covered. With support for high speed, HDI, and rigid flex, there's nothing it can't handle. One of the main technologies behind all of these capabilities is the industry-leading interactive routing engine, which is able to push and shove objects, length tune with a built-in electromagnetic field solver, and route at any angle. Schematic capture is agile and intuitive, enabling users to design flat and hierarchical projects with ease. And a dynamic data model, together with continual compilation, allows for instant availability of netlists and project structure changes, as well as rapid access and editing of a component's properties, models, and parameters. Altium Designer manages data in a convenient and transparent manner with status and lifecycle control. By having all data in one place, users can effortlessly create complete documentation packages for manufacturing and assembly in seconds. A beautifully modern and intelligent unified user interface brings out the full power of your tools in a platform that's easy to use and simple to understand. This means a lower learning curve, allowing you to be proficient in almost no time at all. And with the world's largest international community of electronics design professionals, you're never alone.